Guys, kakadating lang na itong bagong helmet natin. Tingnan nyo naman yung packaging, maayos at secured talaga. Tingnan nyo po itong pink motorcycle helmet natin, super cute pero super safe. Ito yung inside niya, very comfortable, soft padding, breathable pa, perfect pang long ride kaya hindi mainit sa ulo. Tingnan nyo to kabudol, glossy finish, super smooth ng shell. Ang pinaka-importante, dual visor siya. Marami pa tayong ibang design nito. Check this now.